With Giftship, collect a gift message from your customers right on your Shopify cart page using the drag-and-drop gift message block. Let's walk through how it works. Cart options appear above the Checkout button on the cart page, or on the shipping rates page for multi-address orders. This is the default layout for the gift message block, but you can fully customize it. For this demo, the customer checks, "Is this a gift?" to reveal the message fields. They fill in the to, from, and message fields, then proceed to checkout. Once they check out, that information becomes a note attribute on the order. Let's show you how to set up a gift message block through cart options. First, head to the Giftship dashboard and create a new cart option set. We cover option sets in a dedicated video. Think of an option set as a blank canvas. Choose from 20 different blocks and counting, each fully customizable. Let's click Add Block and choose Gift Message. This is the standard gift message block. Giftship also has a digital gift message block, which emails or texts the message to the recipient. We cover that in a dedicated video. Now that the block's been added, click on it to configure it. In the Input tab, enable or disable the to, from, and message fields. Also, set a character limit to keep responses short and sweet. Next, visit the Message Options tab. In the Message Display section, choose whether to always show the gift message fields or only after a customer checks, "Is this a gift?" The choice is yours. Mark the gift message as required, either only when "Is this a gift?" is checked, or always, preventing customers from checking out without adding a message. By default, gift messages populate the order's additional details, also known as note attributes. If you'd rather use Shopify's Order Notes field instead, you can enable that. Just note it only populates the message body, not the to and from fields. And that's it. Collecting gift messages at the cart level is recommended over the product level, since it's one message per order instead of one per product. If you have Giftship's multi-address feature enabled, cart options appear directly below each recipient on the shipping rates page, letting you customize the gift message for every recipient. Print the gift message with Giftship's order printer on packing slips, invoices, or greeting card templates, and automatically tag orders with gift messages. Giftship. Everything your Shopify store needs for gifting. One app, one subscription.